Hi friends, I just came back from the Dollar Tree and I picked up a few items to organize my kitchen. Now I'm hope this is like a dish, what do you call it, uh, dish bin or something. I'll see how I could use this, utilize it in the fridge. I picked this up. I'm gonna figure out, see if I can, how I can use it. I also got this black basket. And they only had one of these cute trays, black. And I bought some of this. Probably see it better here. Some grip liner. And I thought this would be cute as well. So stay tuned to see how I utilize these things and in trying to organize my kitchen. Okay, so here's my refrigerator. It's not that pretty. Definitely in need of some organization and beautifying. Okay friends, so the first thing I'm going to do is empty out my refrigerator. Oh. Way in the bottom. Okay, so finally it's clean and wiped down. All the shelves and the drawers. And now I'm going to place the mats inside. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and open up this roll and measure the width of the shelf and use this as a cover. So I added the cute little mats on the shelves. And in the drawers, this one's more airy so the vegetables can breathe. And this one too. Okay, so far, not done yet. Okay friends, so I'm finally done with my refrigerator section. I did not start or do my freezer. That'll be another day. But anyways, here is my refrigerator. Here it is. So I decided to put my eggs here in the basket. And since I saw this cute, what is this? Like a shelving covering or something. I thought I'd do black and white in my refrigerator. So I went with this cute little basket here for my eggs. This cute little tray for some of my dairy. There's some yogurt there in the back. And down here I have some salad and some vegetables up here. Little leftovers. And then this level is for my raw meats. I put it in this tray specifically so there's no accidental spillage in the bottom. That's the purpose of this tray, even though it's not that the greatest looking, but it's pretty nice. And then here I also put some of this matting down here. This was all purchased at the Dollar Tree, so you should be able to find it. And my vegetables, I got a lot of carrots and some cilantro. And this is empty. And then I put the water bottles down here. Here's the condiment shelf. And then this is all my husband's. These are all that's my husband's shelf. All his stuff that he likes to use. There's his rasam. And I just put a few water bottles in here too. Okay, friends, so I hope this gives you a little boost of motivation to clean out your refrigerator, maybe organize it a little. Thanks for being with me when I was cleaning this refrigerator. It really, really needed it. But here's the aftermath, or here's what it looks like. I think it kind of looks nice. I really like this. Kind of gives some character, some cuteness to the refrigerator shelves instead of seeing the clear glass. Okay, friends, thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next video.